We're going to explain how to add a new entry to your path variable in ZSH. The path variable tells your system where to look for executable files when you type a command in your terminal. If you install a new program, you'll often need to add its location to your path so you can run it from anywhere. There are several ways to do this, and we'll cover the most common and recommended approaches. Chapter 1. Understanding the path. Before we modify anything, let's understand what the path variable is. It's an environment variable, a set of key value pairs that tell your shell, in this case ZSH, about your environment. The path variable is a colon-separated list of directories. When you type a command, ZSH searches these directories in order until it finds an executable file with that name. If it doesn't find it in any of the directories listed in your path, you'll get a command not found error. 2. Temporarily adding to the path for the current session. The simplest way to add a directory to your path is temporarily, only for the current terminal session. You can use the export command. Let's say you've installed a program to opt my program bin. To add this to your path for this session only, you would type export path opt my program bin. This takes your existing path, adds a colon, then adds the new directory. Important: this change only lasts until you close your terminal window. 3. Permanently adding to the path using ZSH. For a permanent change, you need to edit your ZSH configuration file, usually located at ZSH. You can open this file with any text editor, like Nano or Vim, Nano/SR. Add the same line as above, export path/opt my program bin, to the end of this file. Save the file. To apply the changes, either open a new terminal window or source the src file in your current terminal using the command source asrc. This will reload your ZSH configuration, incorporating the new path entry. Now, every time you open a new terminal, the new directory will be in your path. 4. Using fpath for ZSH functions. If you're adding the path for a ZSH function rather than a command line program, you'll want to use the fpath variable instead of the path variable. The fpath variable manages the locations where ZSH searches for functions. The procedure is the same as with the path variable. You'll append the new directory to the fpath variable in your src file. For example, fpath, path to your functions. This assumes your functions are in path to your functions. Remember to source your ZSRC file afterward. 5. Verifying the change. After making any changes to your path, it's always a good idea to verify that the change has taken effect. You can do this by typing echo path in your terminal. This will print your current path, and you should see the new directory included in the list. Remember to replace opt in my program bin and path to your functions with the actual paths to your programs and functions. Always be cautious when modifying system configuration files. Incorrectly modifying your ZSRC file could cause problems. If you are unsure about any step, seek help from online resources or experienced users.